Hello, this is Rhonda. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. If you're not, thank you very much for supporting me on this journey. It's been a really rough day, so please excuse how I look, but I wanted to get some videos out for you. I have gotten my Allure, the 2020 Allure beauty box, and if you don't know about this box is $15 a month. You usually get at least 1 to 3 full-size items and then 2 or 3 samples. They don't guarantee any amount of full-size items, but I have been getting it for about 1.5 years, and I've always gotten at least 1 full-size item, usually 2 or 3. This month, I'm actually not sure, but I do know one of the items is a really good item. So, let's see what we have here. We have, I'm actually not sure how to pronounce this, is OC. I'm not sure how you pronounce that. OSEA. It's a Ocean Cleanser Mineral and Balance. This is 0.6 full ounces. Let's go see what it says about that. See, it doesn't say. Well, it says $48. 5 full ounces. Okay, this is 0.6 full ounces, so it's showing a picture that says 5 full ounces, so I would say it's saying the 5 full ounces is a full size, and that is $48, and this is 0.6 full ounces. And then we got, I know a lot of people who really love these. These have 8 clear patches. The acne cover patch made with chica, tea tree, and calendula oil, blend seamlessly. Okay, there's 8 in this little package, and let's go see if it says. Okay, that, I think that is a bonus item. It shows it on the back here. It doesn't really say anything about it other than that's there, so I would say that is a bonus item. And then we got this butter lip and cheek balm. This, I would say, is a full-size item, and this is $16. And let's see if we can find out what color or anything about it. This is what the inside looks like. Oh, it is. Safety seal, the plastic around it at least. Okay, got that off. And there's what the inside looks like. And it does say this can be used as a cheek or an eye color, a lip color, and that's what that looks like. Let's see, it's called just Peach Blush, Lip and Cheek Balm in Color. Okay, and again, that is a full-size item, and it is $16. And then we have this mineral sunscreen by Dr. Jart Plus. I'm not sure if that's how that's supposed to be said, but it's a deluxe sample or sample. And this is a SPF of 50. It's broad spectrum, UVA and UVB. This is 0.16 full ounces. And it looks like it was, the box would contain either the Dr. Jart, whatever, tiger grass calming gel cream, or the Dr. Jart every Sunday mineral sunscreen. And I got the sunscreen. I love sunscreen. I don't think we can ever have enough good sunscreen. And then we have the Charcoal Pore Care Lapcose Daily Skin Mask. Looks like this. Feels like a sheet mask. Let's go see what it says. It says that is $3. It is a charcoal detox mask. Leaves your face downright thirsty. Oh, it says a lot of charcoal detox masks leave your face downright thirsty. They're often too much for my skin. This is being said by, it just says JC. It's usually by people who work for the Allure company. So whoever that is says they like this one. And that is one, and it is valued at $3. And this is the big item that I have used this before. I really like the Peach and Lily from what I've tried so far. And this is a full-size product. It's peach extract and peptide complex. And this retails for $39. And like I said, I have used this. I did like it. It is like a gel. I mean, it is, you see it like basically like any other serum. So we got this. Again, this is a $15 bag. Usually your first month you can do it. I don't know if they're still doing it, but most of the time you get it. You can get $5 off your first month, making it $10. And I really like this box. So this was valued at, what did I say, $39 or $49? $39, and that is a full size. This Butanique, I don't know how you say that, BB blush and lip color was valued at $16, a full size. This charcoal detox mask was $3. This cleanser, I'm not going to open it because I don't know that. Oh, look at that packaging. I'm glad I at least took it out of the package. Look how beautiful the packaging is. It's a glass bottle. I'm a sucker for really pretty packaging. So again, 0.6 full ounces. That is a really pretty container. And that is I would say a deluxe sample, because it's obviously not a full size, but that's not a teeny sample either. The full size of that is $48. Then we got the Dr. Jart sunscreen. Dr. Jart sunscreen is $39 for a full size. And then we got, the 8-pack of acne pads, an acne patch. I've tried the acne patch from Curology, and I don't know about this one, but the one from Curology I liked, so I'm glad to try those if I need them, when I need them. So that is what we got from a $15 box. I think it is well worth it. This is just a little card. It don't really, it's not a coupon, it's just a card. A revolutionary cocktail of peach extract, niacinamide, peptides, and hyaluronic acid. Glass refining serum. So there's that. It's just a card telling about it. And then they have these little books that come each month. And a lot of times in the book they'll have, let's see if one of, yeah, sometimes in the book they'll have like coupon codes. If you really like the item, you can get it. Like one time I saw this serum they sent that you could get the full size serum for $9.99 for an expensive serum. So that is what we got in the July 2020 Allure box. And I'm fixing to do some more videos. Thank you very much for watching. Again, if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. Please click the thumbs up button for me, and I will see you all very soon. Bye-bye.